Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shira Renee, and if you want to listen to what I have to say, then stay tuned.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, watch me. Level up, 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 level up. All this on me so yummy, all this sauce so yummy. No, you want this yummy, yummy all in your tummy. Level up, level up, level up, level up, level up.
Hi guys, so I am coming back with a new video today to have a, what is it? It's been like a month update on Julia's hair, which is this wig here. So a little bit about the wig. This is a 13x6 lace frontal blonde human hair wig, pre-plucked 10A virgin hair with baby hairs as well. And I got this in 22 inches, I want to say. Yeah, it was definitely 22 inches because that was the highest that this came. And I paid a little bit, like over $240 for the wig, which I thought was a pretty reasonable price for 613 hair. So just a little bit about the hair. It was 613 blonde hair. I want to insert some clips of me dyeing the hair this color. I dyed it with Kiss Professional, I want to say Red Velvet and Ruby Red or something like that. Both I mixed two to get this color. I did have to go back in with more Red Velvet because it was a little too bright for my taste, which you'll see in the video that I'm going to insert, like right here in this corner. Yeah, so overall, as far as my little checkpoint list when trying out hair, this hair, the shipping was fast, as I stated in my last video. The longevity of the hair, it still looks pretty good even though it's only been a month. I do understand that, but it still looks pretty good. I'm sorry, I got a notification. As far as shedding goes, every now and again when I do brush my hair, I do get a few strands, which is to be expected with hair, but not like an over alarming or balding spots. My frontal is still looking really, really good. Yeah, overall with the shedding, I am really pleased. The hair curls really well, it straightens really well. I'm just overall really happy with this hair, and I'm not even gonna lie, this is like one of the best wigs I have ever. I ordered some wigs from, I'm not gonna say their name just because this video isn't about them, but I did order some curly wigs from some other companies, and like they shed like crazy, they matte really bad, and this hair is like the complete opposite. And I'm like so in love with this hair. I'm gonna make sure that I drop the link down in the description box below, as well as along with some like coupon codes to try to get you a cheaper overall price. What else? Yeah, I talked about longevity, I talked about shipping. This will not be my final review for this wig. I'm gonna try to do at least a 6 to 7 month update, just so you guys will see like the actual really longevity of the wig. I have had this in my head for a month. I've installed it twice, and each of those times I washed, conditioned, and reinstalled the wig, and it really still looks like amazing. And I'm like really like so happy because I was afraid of getting a 613 wig just because I never had one before, and it is out of my comfort zone. Well, it was out of my comfort zone, but as you can tell, I clearly feel good with this 613 wig. And I'm like loving the color. As far as the wig itself, it did take well to this color. As soon as I dipped it in the water, of course it started to change. I literally watercolored this wig in like 10 minutes. I did have to, of course, add some more red velvet, but it still was within that 10-minute time. And like the overall color of it, it is so beautiful. And I feel like for my skin tone, it like is perfect for my skin tone. I've never really tried color, and for this to be my first time trying color, I'm like ecstatic, like how the wig actually turned out, as you guys can tell. But if you guys have any specific questions about this hair, you can please feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. I will, and also check the description box for the link for this hair in particular, as well as along with some discount codes that you guys can use to get a cheaper price, because I believe right now this wig is $287.95. And yeah, I'm gonna make sure to leave some discount codes for you in the description box. If you guys do have any other questions, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section or send me a DM on Instagram. My app name is Shira Renee on Instagram, and I'll put that on the screen and in the description box, or you can send me a direct message or inbox on Facebook, and my name is Shirasavannah there. I'll leave both of those links down in the description box. And I also wanted to give a little look. I'm filling my makeup. I haven't done my makeup in a while since this pandemic thing has been going on, but look at it. I look good. I feel good. But I wanted to give a quick shout out or bring notice to my lashes. These are from my collection, Alora's Dynasty, and I have added many more styles, and I've also become a wholesaler. Yes, I am a wholesaler, and I am really trying to bring more attention to small business owners, and I really like deep in my heart want to help young women discover themselves within their business and find their potential and fulfill their dreams to go on to financial freedom. And I really do believe I can do that by business coaching, being a wholesaler, and connecting with the younger with people my age and younger, even people older than I am myself. I just really want to make a difference, and I feel as though I can by being that way, by helping people that way. I also am wearing the chain Reborn. This is also up for wholesale, so that if you really want to start a jewelry business or expand your business into selling jewelry, hit your girl up on Instagram. Please feel free to send me any questions via DM or emailing my business email. I'm not sure why companies say don't email. I feel like if you have a question, it needs to be answered. So please feel free to DM me if you have any questions at all about my wholesale prices, shipping, any of that. I also help with logos. All of this is on my website now, so you can just feel free to check it out. And all of my things are affordable prices. That is another stressor I wanted to point out. I don't like overcharging people for something that they really need. So all of my prices are very affordable, and yeah, they're very affordable, and I try my best to get things out same day shipping, which I honestly have been doing that with all the orders that I have been getting this month as well as last month. I've been doing a really good job at doing that all by myself. So if you guys do need a wholesaler, hit your girl up. I have wholesale lashes, jewelry, accessories, and affordable prices on handbags, lip gloss, cosmetics. So yeah, if you do have any questions or anything like that, please feel free to DM me. Go ahead and make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also leave a comment if you do have any questions or anything like that. And please make sure that you subscribe or go follow my business pages. If you guys don't support me in sales, I would really love for you guys to just support me by following my business and like my pictures. That would really, really mean a lot to me. And that is it for today's video. Again, stay tuned for more videos. I will be coming out with more. Thank you. Bye.